social media that informed me about the mosque shootings in New Zealand and the blast recently in Sri Lanka. Whoever is thinking that they can divide us by doing this is wrong, because I know that there are many just like me. I am a Hindu. I pray at a temple. But whenever I want some peace, I come to this mosque. My favorite food is biryani, and it's cooked by all these wonderful Muslim chefs around here. Now let me show you a street which I think is the most united street in the world. One street that has a gurudwara, a temple, a mosque and a church. Wondering why I'm making this video? It's because I want to show the power of unity to people who want to divide us. Because if social media is the eyes and ears of our society, then why can't it be the torchbearer of peace too? You may say that I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you'll join us